Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear future leaders from all around the country, our great country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, welcome to your English class. Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Saleh Al-Awjan. He's going to be our sign language interpreter. And now, I think we're so ready to start our new lesson. It's first intermediate grade, first semester. Our subject is English. Our lesson is going to be expansion writing. This is my name, Ms. Khulud Saoud. As always, it's a pleasure to be your teacher. Let's start with our online classroom rules. Number one, make sure you find a quiet study area and be ready. Make sure you have everything around, your book, pen, pencil, and maybe someone to talk to. Number two, avoid distractions like TV, food, and any other online resources. Number three, keep strong and positive. Are you ready? Let's start. So in our previous lesson in reading, we learned how to read an advertisement win a free trip Caribbean. Okay, this is a special contest from Caribbean Cruises. Mark all the correct answers and win a free trip on one of our ships. You can win a trip from Miami to the Dominican Republic. And then we learned how to answer those questions, learn more information about Caribbean. Number one was the capital of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. Okay. Number two was baseball was the national sport. Number three, Spanish is the official language. Number four, the Dominican Republic is located on the island of Hispaniola. Number five, the principal industry is tourism. And after we finish answering all those questions, we learn how to fill a personal form in order to send it back to the contest. Complete this form and send it to, here is the address, win a trip, contest, P.O. Box 247, Miami, FL 33156. And here is the form you need to fill with your name, address, age, telephone number, and email. Also, we learned some information about Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic shares the island of Hispaniola with the French-speaking country of Haiti. The island lies to the east of Jamaica and Cuba, and to the west of Puerto Rico. At one time, the main industry on the island was sugar. Now the main industry is tourism. The island has many beautiful beaches, especially along the northern coast. So now we have a lot of information about Dominican Republic. In today's lesson, expansion, writing, page 37, we will go to writing. We will learn how to write about. Learners will be able to complete a paragraph using information from reading text that we already did in the previous lesson. So it's a good idea to keep your book open. You can always look at the previous lesson to have it as a reference. 3. Writing. A. Complete the paragraph about Dominican Republic. Use the information on the contest form to help you. The Dominican Republic, blank, on the island of Hispaniola. Also on the island of Haiti, the island is N blank C. The blank of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. And blank is the official language. Remember, what was the official language? The beaches at Punta Cana and Puerto Plata, blank, famous. The country is a favorite destination for blank. Take a moment, refresh your memory. You always can go back to the reading section and try to find out as much as you can to fill the blanks. You can always pause the video and try to come up with as much words to fill the blanks. Let's do this one more time. The Dominican Republic on the island of Hispaniola. Is, so the verb be here is referred to Dominican Republic. It's only a name of one country. Okay, I'm talking about only a singular noun. As you can see, it's capitalized, so it's a name of country. On the island of Hispaniola, also on the island of Haiti, the island is in the sea, is in Caribbean Sea, remember? The Caribbean trip. The of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. It's a name of a city. It's a start with a capital letter. And we mentioned in the questions of the contest that Santo Domingo is the, good job, the capital of the Dominican Republic. And blank is the official language. What's the official language of Saudi Arabia? Arabic, good job. So what's the official language of Dominican Republic? Remember, it was in the contest questions. Good job, Spanish. Spanish is the official language. Okay? The beaches at Punta Cana and Puerto Plata, famous. We mentioned name of two beaches. Are, the verb be, are. I'm talking about plural, more than one. Good job. Are famous, and famous is adjective for the name of those beaches. The country is a favorite destination for. What does destination mean? It's a place of interest that people like to visit from all around the world for entertainment or maybe to spend their summer vacation there. So it's a good destination for tourists. Remember, it was their main industry. Okay, so one more time. The Dominican Republic is on the island of Hispaniola, also on the island of Haiti. The island is in the Caribbean Sea, and we capitalize the name of the sea, like Red Sea. The capital of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. Capital means the main city of the country. And Spanish is the official language. And did you notice something? We capitalized Spanish because it's a language. The beaches at Punta Cana and Puerto Plata are famous, and we used here are because we're referring to plural, more than one. The country is a favorite destination for tourists. Okay, good job. So let's have some information about our country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Let's talk about the location of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia lies at the furthermost part of southwestern Asia. It's bordered by the Arabian Gulf, United Arab Emirates and Qatar in the east, Red Sea in the west, Kuwait, Iraq and Jordan in the north, Yemen and Oman in the south. Area, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia occupies about 4/5 of the Arab Peninsula, with a total area of around 2 million square kilometers. So now we have a lot of information about our great country regarding the location and some geographic information. Let's go to the next task because we will need all of those information to do that. Open your book, page 37, number 3, writing, letter B. Write about your country. Use the questions to help you write. Number 1, where is your country? Where is it located? What countries is it near? And remember, we use the question word where to ask about the place or location. What country is it near? We used what to ask about new information. Number 2, What is the capital of your country? Capital means the main city. Number 3, what's the official languages or language? Some countries, they have more than one official language. So let's look at this form. I want you to take a moment. You can fill it with a partner. It could be maybe your parents at the house, your siblings, or maybe your friends. My country is, what's the name of our country? Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is near. So try to find the name of a country. It could be a name of a country or a sea near to Saudi Arabia. It's near United Arab Emirates. What's the capital of Saudi Arabia? The main city is, good job, Riyadh. And always remember to capitalize the name of countries and cities. The official language is Arabic. Yes, true. And we capitalize Arabic because it's a name of a language. If you have more information, that would be great to add more, okay? Let's go to the next part. Question number 4. What is a famous place in your country? Famous means well-known. You can mention more than one. We have the Holy Mosque, الحرم الشريف in Mecca al-Mukarramah, right? Also in Al-Madinah al-Munawwara. What else? We have many famous places. What do we have in Riyadh? We talked earlier about Al-Masmak Palace. Remember when we visited the museum? What else? We have many amazing famous destinations and places of interest that people who are coming, visiting us from all around the world can go. Like what? Al-Ula, good job. Okay, try to find as much as you can to fill the blank right here. Okay, my knowledgeable boys and girls, good job. What sports are popular in your country? What do you think? Personally, I think football, right? It's well known in our country. What's the principal industry? Saudi Arabia is very well known for oil, okay? What else? We have many industries. So try to find out how many we have, and you can write it down. So right here you're gonna write a famous place, the name of a famous place, a popular sport, and my country is famous for. Okay, good job. So in our lesson today, we learned how to fill the paragraph, and we learned how to use our information that we learn in reading about the Dominican Republic. We were able to fill that. I will give you an assignment for the coming class. It's a writing assignment. I'm going to explain for you what you're supposed to do. You're going to brainstorming with a partner about school rules that you would like to have, okay? Brainstorming means you're going to think of as much ideas that you can come up with. It's a good idea to keep a notebook near to you and write down whatever you have in that notebook. And then you can discuss it with your teacher, with your friends in the school. You can vote also. Be an open-minded people and vote for the most rules that you would like to have in the school. Discuss the rules with your classmates. Which rules do you agree with? Which rules do they disagree with, if possible? Create one list of school rules on the board that the whole class agrees with, okay? Like you could say, I like that we respect each other's opinions. I like that we don't interrupt whoever is speaking, your teacher or your classmates. So this way, each one will have the right to speak their minds. What else? What are the things that you like, the rules? Personally, if I would change a rule, it could be maybe the timing of school. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, good job, my open-minded people. Now, try to do and come up with as much of rules as you can, and you can always share it with your teacher. Inshallah, next class we will be working on the same project. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Inshallah, see you next class, and bye-bye for now.